Welcome guys today to Inspire Tech. So today I just want to show you guys how to get a transcript from any YouTube video at all. I'll be using two videos to do that, and also how to some cool features that actually goes with it. So just right away when you go to this website, YouTubeTranscript.com, I'll also drop a link to this website below. Just press enter. It opens up this beautiful website where you can transcribe your YouTube video, whether your own or any YouTube video at all. Get the transcript of it and work with it. So I'll be doing two videos. I'll just go straight to YouTube. I'm gonna pick two videos to try this out. So the first video I'm picking is actually this video, which is just 9 minutes video. I'll right click, copy the address, come over here to this app. So what I want to do is to get the transcript, what the wordings that was said in the video. So in case I'm not able to capture the video, I'll just come here, type here, paste it, paste, and go. Now watch the cool feature. And this is the video, and this is the transcript. So this is the transcript of whatever he said in the video. Then I can now play the video.
This is how I handle my first stage time. I'm sending a super cold email, DM,
I'm seeing it over here.
I know.
Let me just pause it, sorry. So you can see that I'm seeing it over here. So I can actually use this to know what they are talking about. Then there's a cool feature also added there. I can copy the entire transcript in case you want to work with it, or maybe there's a video you want to get the wordings, or maybe pick a word or sentence that was said in the video. You can use this. So this app is very powerful and important for everyone to know and use it. Then actually you can also have another feature that does added to the site, which allows automatic PDF summary. So you can just click on here and it's PDF whatever you did. So the transcript is now summarized and you can PDF it here. You can actually PDF your document. You just bring your PDF document, drop it in here, or you paste a link to where it is on this section, press go, and it summarizes your PDF document no matter how many pages the document is. Or also you can ask a specific question about it, it does that. So these are two features that are actually here. I said I will try two videos. I just tried one and you see it was. Let me try another video so you see how cool this is. So I'm gonna pick a video like this, which is 9 minutes. Right click on this, copy link address, come over here, paste it over here, and click go. So this video now, and this is the transcript for it. So let's just play it for some seconds.
Getting rich on a low income is very easy. Many people lose their hope of getting rich for getting a low salary, but that shouldn't be done.
So these are cool stuff coming. I've been doing a lot of research, coming up with cool stuff. Just stay tuned, like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and wait for great content. I just don't want to spill the coffee. Just wait for it. Thank you.